Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, and Christmas is on Thursday. So let me wish you a very Merry Christmas and a very happy holiday season. My friend Victoria is coming later this morning to rehearse our 2-piano program, and I thought it might be fun to record some of the rehearsal for you. But before we head into the music room, I want to make another batch of that hot cocoa mix that you and I made together last week. I made some for Vickie, and she's almost out of it. It's really delicious. So I need to sift 2 cups non-fat dry milk powder, 2 cups of confectioner's sugar, and then I need 1 cup of cocoa powder. This is a 1/4 cup measure. And the reason I need to sift everything is because I don't want the mixture to clump when I add boiling water to it. I also need a pinch of salt just to balance out the sweetness. And then whisk everything together. And then we can pop the works into a couple of jars. Let me find another lid. It's 9:11 in the morning. Vickie is supposed to be here at 9:30. And just before she arrives, I'm going to make some of the hot cocoa, and then we can head into the music room. Vickie and I are going to finish rehearsing our program, but first, Vickie and Lizette and I all want to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye for now, friends.